This is the master bedroom, the west window. This is new glass. Both latches work. This is master bedroom, the east window. This is the new glass, and the upper latch is loose, and that's not right. I've asked them to mail me a new one, so I'm holding the upper latch up while I close the window, and both latches work. This is bedroom number 3, the north window. This is new glass. Both latches stay up when they're opened, and when they're closed, they both easily latch. This is bedroom number 3, the south window. This is new glass installed. Both latches stay up. And both latches work.